Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Skip from 533. So I am going to show you guys on if you have some problems with your Radiomaster, on some things and steps you can take to go through and make sure everything is right. That way, if you're getting short range or if something's wrong, this video might help you out with that. So let's take a deep dive and look at the Radiomaster screen. Alright, if you look here, we're on the Radiomaster screen right here, and then if you go, and the first thing I want you to do, if you have Express LRS, I want you to go right here on Tools, and the way I got there is I hit my System button here on the scroll wheel. I'm going to click the scroll wheel to Express LRS, and I want you to look at your hertz. If you're flying a whoop and you're over 250 hertz, then your whoop might not bind. So that's one thing you want to look at. I always keep mine at 250 hertz. A lot of people like to fly at 500 hertz with a 5-inch, but I actually prefer 250 hertz. But if you're having problems binding to a whoop or something like that, that could be one problem there. So on your TX power, what you want to do on your TX power is you want to click that and go to max power and set that to dynamic. So what that's going to do is not going to use all the power with 1,000 milliwatts. What it does is it reserves the power for 1,000 milliwatts if you need it. So it's going to fluctuate while you're flying to match how much power you actually need. All right, and then so that is a good thing to keep your power on right there. And I will scroll down, and some people use this backpack. The backpack is so if you want to change channels without going into your goggles and OSD and changing channels, you can set that up to actually change channels on your remote to your drone. All right, now if I go back here, you always want to make sure if you press the model button right here, and under model button, then you page over and you got setup. So if you look down in here, you're going to see something ADC filter. So ADC filter needs to be off. Always make sure ADC filter is off. That's going to give you problems on your drone. And then another thing I want to tell you about is if you go to turn on your radio and you see these lights just blinking and they're just lighting up and your radio is not turning on, in the back of your radio you've got you got 4 screws. You got a screw here, 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 and here. And if you take those 4 screws out, take your battery out and pull it, you have a coin battery in here. And that coin battery, if you replace that coin battery, it will bring your radio back to life, and it won't be doing those orange lights anymore, and it'll turn on. So there is a few hints if you have problems with your radio connection and everything that you can go through and make sure that is turned on right. Is the LRS, Express LRS settings under System Tools, and make sure that ADC filter is off. Alright guys, so that's just a few things for you guys to check. And on my radio I have a 3D print. If you guys want to contact me, I have this 3D print right here to use the pocket antenna on your Express LRS Boxer radio. So if you want this 3D print, I will put this down in the description below, and you'll have a fold up antenna on your radio. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See ya.